Hello, it's Allison Shaw, your dedicated fitness instructor and wellness coach. Today, I'm excited to delve into the transformative world of meditation and guide you through the essential framework to establish a fulfilling practice. Meditation is a profound practice that holds the power to revolutionize your life, and I've witnessed its transformative effects firsthand in both my clients and my own personal journey. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing clarity of thought and emotional well-being, the benefits of meditation are vast and profound. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life or struggled to find moments of tranquility amidst the noise, then meditation may hold the key to unlocking a profound sense of peace and fulfillment. Today, we'll explore the three foundational elements of meditation: habit, technique, and transformation, each of which plays a crucial role in nurturing a sustainable and enriching meditation practice. The first foundational element, habit, forms the foundation of any successful meditation practice. Establishing a consistent meditation habit is essential for reaping its full benefits and integrating mindfulness into your daily life. However, cultivating a daily meditation habit can be challenging, especially in today's fast-paced world where time seems to slip away all too quickly. Let's start with the principle of starting small. Many people make the mistake of diving into meditation with lofty goals of meditating for extended periods, only to feel overwhelmed and discouraged when they struggle to maintain their practice. Instead, I recommend starting with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increasing the duration as your habit solidifies. By starting small and gradually building momentum, you'll set yourself up for long-term success and avoid burnout. The second principle, never zero, emphasizes the importance of consistency in your meditation practice. Commit to meditating every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. By making meditation a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you'll create a habit that becomes as automatic as brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Remember, every minute counts, and even a short meditation session can have a profound impact on your well-being. Finally, the third principle, joyful attitude, encourages you to approach meditation with a sense of joy and gratitude. Rather than viewing meditation as a chore or obligation, reframe it as a precious gift to yourself, a time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Cultivate an attitude of curiosity, openness, and acceptance towards your meditation practice, allowing yourself to experience the beauty and wonder of the present moment. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards inner peace and self-discovery. Together, we'll explore the profound depths of meditation and awaken to the infinite possibilities that lie within.